going to film one another bridal makeup. So let's just quickly know how to do it. So I have already put on my hairband so nothing comes off on my face. First of all, to wake your skin for the difficult bridal makeup, we need to wake it up. So I am waking it up with ice. Just rub it onto your skin and it will instantly wake you up and will relieve any kind of stress your skin might have, and it even calms down your skin and also removes the puffiness. So doing it in the morning is a really great thing. So this is my skin after applying the ice, just so refreshing and perfect. So, and I'm going to conceal my eyes first. As far as I say you guys that you need to conceal your eyelids when you do a bridal kind of extreme kind of glam makeup, because when you apply a concealer, a base before any eyeshadow, it always pops up much more greater. So we will conceal first using our Mars concealer palette. I like to use my hands to pick up the product because I don't wash my brush every single day. So for setting today, I'm going to use a compact powder. So you can use either compact powder or loose powder, anything will just work great. So we will just set it real quick. So first I'm filling up my eyebrows. So you can use either way, your brow pen or your liner or any kind of wax crayon or any kind of pencil, eyebrow pencil you have. So I'm today using this gel eyeliner for filling up my brows, because we are going for a bridal makeup look, so everything needs to be a little bit extra. So first I'm just going to comb my eyebrows just the usual way I do it. I'm going to use this claymy gel eyeliner and I'm using brown shadow for filling up my eyebrows, and I'm just using the brush has come with this packet. So let's just quickly fill it in. So I'm first going to line under this brow. And I'm just keeping up with the line. To use this yellow shade all over my eye. I'm going to do my favorite red all over this area, and also going to blend my crease with this red color. Then with a flat brush we are going to apply a red color just in the middle, and this is the pigment when what we get when we wet our brush. Just doing this. I'm going to use a little bit of black just in this corner to make our eyes look a little bit more in depth. So this is how my eyeshadow look. So if you doesn't have any kind of eyeshadow palette, you must have turmeric powder in your kitchen, so you can do the yellow with that. For red you can use your red lipstick. For the black you can use your black eyeliner. What's more needed? Just do the shadow look and create your own makeup. So we will now create this eye look to a combined bomb look. So I'm using my liquid eyeliner for this, and I'm drawing a really great wing. Also going to do my lower lashes with a mascara so everything looks blend out. Using my Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminating Highlighter in a small paintbrush, and I am just doing a eyeliner with this but on my crease. So look at this line, you can see we have to just draw over this. Let's go. Okay. Starting off my face makeup real quick because that eye makeup took ages. Because it's easy, it's fast, and it's fast. So I'm super fast going to apply. I'm not going to apply any kind of primer because staying at home. But if you are going out at a wedding or in a party or anything, use a primer, otherwise your face is going to sweat like a volcano. So I wanted to use a brush because I wanted a more coverage, but my brush was dirty, so I'm not going to use it. I'm instead using my sponge and going to blend this all over. Then for the concealer, I'm again going to use the same pan stick because I focus on skincare more than makeup, and you should also do that. So applying a few dots, and that's all we need, and also going to blend it out real quick. I'm going to set everything with a loose powder. You can use a compact powder either. So just going to first apply it on my T-zone area as always, and I like to press my powder on my face instead of just swiping it off. Then what is the meaning? You are just wasting your powder. Don't do that. And after pressing it off, whatever is left, we will go the side of our face with that. Then I'm using my favorite blending brush. This is eye brush, and I'm using my Nika contour palette, and I don't blend contour in my nose without this brush. This is my lifesaver. Use my Mars contour and contour palette, and from that palette I'm going to use a contour shade, and I'm doing cream contour today because I'm feeling extra fancy. So just applying it on the places where you should apply your contour. I know every one of you know, so I'm not wasting my time saying you again. My Swiss Beauty highlighter palette, and I'm using the silver shade to highlight my face. Just apply on your highest bones on your face, just like your cheekbones, your nose, a little bit on your cupid's bow, on your brows, and that would be enough. Orange is my favorite color in makeup, so just doing it in upwards motion, a hint of color. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, please don't forget to comment below and like my video, and thank you for watching